Hi there! Princess Wailin here from Pinay Boss Academy. At may tanong ako sa'yo. Are you running your business like a real boss? Kasi kung hindi, I can guess exactly kung gaano kaliit ang sales at result na nakukuha mo ngayon. At kailangang may magbago dyan. Kung hindi ganun kalaki at hindi mo nakukuha yung goal income for the dream lifestyle and dream business that you want. Alam mo ba na halos 97 to 99% ng mga solo entrepreneurs ngayon fail with their businesses, lalo na kapag sinusubukan pa lang nilang mag-scale online. And that is a big problem na unti-unting uubos ng mental, emotional, and energy mo, which might lead you to quitting. As your own boss, hindi pwedeng palagi kang walang income, overwhelmed, unorganized, may anxiety, stress, unknowledgeable, at walang clarity sa business mo. Not knowing how to run your business like most CEOs do might lead you to depression, stress, and might lead to self-comparison, questioning yourself and your potential. Kaya kung magpapatuloy kang stuck and unproductive, baka lumipas na yung maraming taon na wala na yung mga taong mahal mo sa buhay bago ka pa maging successful. Well, here's the secret. Alam na alam ko yung feeling na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Because I was there. Nandyan ako sa exact situation na nandyan ka ngayon. That is why I created Jumpstart CEO 21 Days Challenge. Dito ko binuhos lahat-lahat ng mga solution at learning na natutunan ko at dinocument ko over the last 7 years of becoming my own boss to combat lack of results as a solopreneur. And by the way, I'm Princess Wailin and I started Pinay Boss Academy back in 2017 para tulungan yung mga fellow aspiring solopreneurs kagaya mo, no, to break through in business and in their lives. Dati gaya mo din ako. My idea was kalat-kalat, hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula, I lack focus, I lack clarity. Worse is, hindi ko alam kung paano ko nga ba patatakbuhin yung sarili kong negosyo, lalo na online kagaya nito. To becoming a top affiliate, top earner, international coach, a high-ticket closer to famous influencers around the globe, and I even personally mentored 4 billionaires in Southeast Asia and Asia Pacifics. Nakapag-create din ako ng over 30 courses based on my own struggles, personal found solutions na ginagamit ko mismo sa Pinay Boss Academy, and have mentored over 2,500 students in the Philippines and worldwide. Kaya kung isa kang online entrepreneur at finally, gusto mo na magkaroon ng bagay na mahalaga to scale your business, number 1 is you need to have the knowledge. Knowledge para may step-by-step guide ka na susundan so that hindi ka na clueless sa dapat mong gawin. Number 2 is done for you resources, materials, and system that will help you as your código or manual every day. And pangatlo, ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat, is a coach na nagagawa na yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve and have been there, and alam na kung paano ka huhugutin dyan sa sitwasyon mo to bring you to the other side para makopya mo or if not, get similar result in terms of sales and impact sa business mo. And I believe in my heart that this is the offer na hindi mo mahihindian. Introducing Jumpstart CEO 21 Days Challenge. And here, you're going to kiss solopreneurship goodbye and say hi to becoming a confident CEO and run your business like a real boss. I am giving you all of my marketing materials here in Pinay Boss Academy as well as the business and lifestyle board na naglalaman ng lahat-lahat ng mga marketing materials, organizers, sales copy, workflow, SOPs, marketing blueprint, learning systems, sales and client organizer, pati social media marketing templates, and even closing scripts na ginagamit ko. And heck, even yung sales video script na nandito mismo sa sales video na ito. Really, all of the knowledge and skills na natutunan ko over the past 7 years that I personally use to running my own business online. Yes, closing scripts, name it. Believe me, almost everything nang kailangan mong gamitin to help you jumpstart your business to become the best version of yourself, both in business and in life, I think are in this offer. Siguro merong kulang, no? Merong isang kulang. Ikaw. So, well, we also have wellness and lifestyle lessons for CEOs that will help you become the best version of yourself in terms of health, mindset, and skill set. At dahil hindi lang knowledge and tools ang pinapangako ko, I am also committing 21 days ng personal time ko to guide you on how to run your business like the CEOs. Yes, live ito and we do it by batch. Kasi napansin ko ang daming recorded lessons ngayon online, pero hindi ito nakakapagbigay ng personal and real in-depth time experience and exchange of learning sa mga students. During our live, malaya ka makakapagtanong para mas ma-deliver ko pa sa'yo how I can help you with your business as your own boss. Kaya, kung hindi true love ang tawag mo dyan, ewan ko na lang. Pero bago ka ma-excite, parang kanino ba itong offer na to? Well, this is for you kung meron kang business and you want to learn how to run, manage, organize, and scale your business to the next level. So, kung isa kang solo entrepreneur, kagaya ko, at hindi mo pa rin alam kung paano ba talaga yung mga importanteng dapat mong gawin every day to start getting real results with your business, at tuloy-tuloy, araw-araw yung sales mo, this is for you. And this is also for you if ayaw mo nang ma-overwhelm, malito, at gusto mo na talaga magkaroon ng brand exposure, attract your dream customers, and jumpstart your dream business. At sinasabi mo ngayon sa sarili mo na, alam mo coach, Coach Princess, gusto ko na talaga ng proven actionable step-by-step guide para focus na lang talaga ako sa pag-generate ng income at hindi yung kung ano-ano yung unrelated activities na umuubos ng oras ko. Yung kung kani-kanino ako nagpa-follow, kung kani-kanino rin ako bumibili ng course, andyan ka naman. Diba? So, this is for you if nasa network marketing ka and affiliate marketing, kagaya ko noon, At finally, gusto mo na ng prospecting organizer, I prepared that for you. Prospecting question script, how to convert friends and followers from your social media templates to attract your dream downlines. We also provided you a lesson organizer para makumpile mo yung mga training na natututunan mo sa company nyo. And as well as prospects clients board. That's what we call it, so that matutunan mo matrack yung mga prospecting activities mo every day. At kung nasa freelancing and content creation ka naman, this program also offers how to manage your content ideas, schedule them, and automate your postings para magkaroon ka talaga ng consistent brand exposure and sales habang namamanage mo yung bawat kliyente mo using our business workflow. So that sigurado ka na masaya sila sa serbisyo mo, This is also for you kung coach ka din naman, diba? Kagaya ko. And finally, gusto mo nang ma-launch yung digital course offer mo. Well, pareho tayo. At ginagamit ko siya. Kaya parang mas lalong para sa'yo to, So, I have the template and the SOPs for you to bring your course idea into reality inside our business board. Now, kung nasa real estate ka naman at gusto mong matutunan kung paano ka nga ba makakahanap ng mas maraming interested property buyers, and paano mo nga ba malo-launch yung business mo rin online, organize your contacts, mag-build and train ng sales team mo para hindi nyo na kailangan magkita-kita pa sa model house or sa office, traffic, diba? Tapos pollution pa. Well, dito sa Jumpstart CEO 21-Day Challenge, you'll be the leader who can lead your team virtually habang nakakapag-close ka ng clients online so that ma-qualify mo muna sila in the comfort of your home bago ka mag-invest ng time to see them in person. Here in JCEO 21, I will share to you the latest tech and apps that I use to run my business in my pajamas while staying or sitting in my sofa relaxing at home. At kung real CEO ka din like me who also dreams to learn how to position your business online and embrace technology so that maging modern CEO ka na din, kagaya namin. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, di ba, importante talaga na may knowledge ka how to really lead and manage your organization online para masave mo yung time mo traveling places to places at mas focus ka na lang training your board members and staffs, grow your business and your sales. Then, of course, this is for you. So, ngayon, kung aspiring entrepreneur ka pa lang at wala kang business or wala kang ka-idea sa mga kaganapan ngayon ng mga online digital trends, chuchu, di ba? At nangangarap ka pa lang, curious ka how to really become your own boss? Nako, mas lalong para sa iyo to. This will save you lots of time, money, and headaches and heartaches. Okay? At kung alam nyo lang yung pinagdaanan ko bago ko nagawa to, Diyos ko po, day, no? Well, ito, mas madali na. Gawa na. And this is the best place for you to begin. Well, alam mo kasi yung knowledge na matututunan mo dito will be the strongest if not the best foundation of your journey to becoming your own boss. Meron din kasi tayong lifestyle and business productivity challenge. Included in this lesson is also for those people na sa madali ang salita na sa online business industry. I know this is too good to be true, but I offer you over 7 years of my own personal resources and experiences na, hindi ko to kinuha sa ibang content at course creator para maging mga inclusion and bonuses mo. These are all the hard works of my hand na galing sa personal life and learning experiences ko at ginagamit ko mismo dito sa Pinay Boss Academy as my marketing tools. That is why I am so confident I can guide you with every steps na pagdadaanan mo. And these are all made with love. Naman, kasi alam ko that through this, I can help you save so much time and money so that you can make your dreams come true as well. So, nasa baba lahat ng mga main inclusions sa challenge na ito, including all the benefits na makakatulong sa business mo. So, what's inside the 21 days challenge? As I said, you need a coach, and I will walk you by hand to share not just the daily grind, habits, discipline, and work mojo of a real boss, but also how to shift from being a stressed solopreneur to becoming a confident CEO that has all the mindset and skill set that you could possibly need to run a successful business online. And in case first time natin magkakilala, our course are made from my personal experiences and challenges na pinagdaanan ko while building Pinay Boss Academy from scratch. Okay? And each courses went through market research, student surveys, beta groups, and personal implementations. Kaya naman makakaasa ka na ang training dito have delivered results. First to me and to those who followed and implemented our strategies. They are tested and used by real-life bosses gaya ko who implemented the same strategies to their own businesses. Now, let's talk about price. Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang sa business mo, we made this offer so affordable to really help solopreneurs out there. Kaya, hindi dahilan ng pera, no, para magsimula ka. At kung ako lang sana may nakita akong offer na ganito noon. Parang SM lang, di ba? We got it all for you. Basta ba, promise mo that you will do your best to make good use of these materials and lessons because our goal is to simply help more struggling online entrepreneurs out there and bring them to the other side. Mas marami tayo, mas masaya. So ngayon, wala nang hadlang you only have 3 options. Join us today and welcome a better version of your business and yourself in 21 days or i-close mo lang itong page na to at mag-procrastinate ka dyan. Then pagbalik mo, mas mataas na yung price. Mas lalo kang hindi makakasali nun. Or pangatlo, you will ignore it and next year, nasa parehong sitwasyon ka pa rin. Stuck ka pa rin at hindi mo pa rin alam ang gagawin mo. Remember, this is a done for you and easy to follow materials na natutulong sa'yo para iwan mo na ang pagiging lone wolf at sariling diskarte mojo mo dyan. Kasi puro ka free lesson, no? Tigil mo na yan. It's time to consider a step-by-step quality and proven guide that delivers results. So, iwan mo na yung bahog-bahog lesson na umuubos ng oras mo tapos wala namang resultang nabibigay sa business mo, di ba? At kung need mo ng guidance, we have exclusive community, Facebook private group community of fellow solopreneurs who are transitioning to becoming confident CEOs. At huwag ka mag-alala, no? You have an access lifetime. Hindi ako kukuripot sa access, no? Panghabang buhay na to. We truly want to help you succeed. Kaya naman, we will continue on adding more materials that will help you grow your business online as time goes by. So, start imagining yourself waking up in the morning, relax, yoga-yoga ka dyan. Tapos, while sipping your favorite tea or coffee, you sit on your chair like this, no? Sabay open ng business board mo, no? Tapos, laptop mo. And, alam mo na agad yung unang task na dapat mong gawin, yung priorities mo. Without feeling overwhelmed, you have materials and skill sets to use. O, diba, ang sarap sa feeling, ang sarap nung humahataw ka kapag alam mo yung gagawin mo. And next thing you know is money's coming, baby! Bring it on! So, diba, ang sarap ng ganung pakiramdam. Gigising ka sa umaga, alam mo yung gagawin mo. Alam na alam mo kung paano humataw. And siya nga pala, no, don't forget to add the CEO business planner and workbook. No? Kailangan mo ito to track your progress and plan your weekly grind. Sinamahan ko na din ito ng 8 video mastermind for CEOs to get things done and hit your sales and goals. It's completely optional, but I highly recommend it, so don't forget to add it with your enrollment. And heck, we will also add a bonus topic under Productive Solopreneur Lifestyle featuring higher self-tuning, the secret recipe to 7 figures and beyond na pwede mong i-model with your own business and self-growth goals. O paano? Jumpstart na tayo ha? Iwan mo na yung frustration marketing. And it's time to jumpstart na. Run your business like a CEO and be your own boss. Fill up the form, choose your best mode of payment, then click mo yung blue button, access everything now, and I'll see you inside the challenge.